Hi, I'm Ryan from Clevertouch in the education team here, and what we're going to do today is look at some of the new features of our LYNX Pro and the AI features that are incorporated into LYNX Pro. When you log into your LYNX Pro version, what you'll see at the top in the middle here is our AI builder. So this will help you to create your presentations, but it will use some of the AI features that are integrated into LYNX Pro to be able to create that presentation for you and take away some of the hassle of being able to build that content. So I'm going to select the AI builder, and what you'll see is straight away I'm presented with this menu here, which gives me the option to set up a presentation and go from scratch. So I'm going to select set up presentation. In here I'm going to put in the title of my presentation. So today I'm going to be talking about some Key Stage 3 history about succeeding Richard III. My next box down is about the audience, so I'm going to type Key Stage 3 in there. You can add a little prompt box if you want to, but I'm just going to simply hit generate from there. It's going to ask me about the layout of my page. So because this is a content page and it's just going to be an introduction, I'm going to select the appropriate method on there, and then I'm going to just hit generate text. Generate my pages, and straight away what you can see is this has now brought up for me a little presentation. It's given me some key points at the beginning, and it's brought in a little image of Richard for me as well. From my add sign down at the bottom now, what I've also got is the AI assistant down here. So this will then allow me, if I need to add in some extra pages into my presentation. So I could add a second page in there. Maybe I'd like to have a diagram in there. Again, I could put in some page descriptions, or I can simply hit generate. This would then create a secondary page for me based around the information that I've put in there. Again, you can see it's given me some further information, and it's actually brought in a little image of Richard again on there. If I need to, I can then replace this image with one of my own images that I've got as I need to. If I add in from my little thumbnail, my page menu down at the bottom here, I've also got the option for page layout, but I'm just going to very quickly add in a new page. And then if I come back to my page menu, I can come to page layout. And then again, I've very quickly got the option to be able to create a page where I have images, text, or the layout that I would like. And then again, I've got the option to edit text, or if I select on my image, I can then bring in the image that I've chosen to on there. One of the other features that we have that's new in LYNX Pro with our AI generation through our AI assistant is the option to bring in some images and so on. So first thing I have on here is I've got the option to create an image. That would allow me then to create an image based on a prompt that I type in. So I can simply type in the prompt box, and then I would be able to have AI generate an image for me. One of the other options we have is the ability to upscale images. So I'm going to bring in an image here which has got some text on it, and it looks absolutely fine. It's legible, but actually at this point I'd like the text to be a little bit sharper. From my floating editing toolbar underneath here, I've got my AI assistant, which would allow me then to upscale the image. So I'm going to upscale the image now, and what that will do is it will just make the graphics a little bit crisper on that image and just make them a little bit more legible for my audience in the room. So that's now upscaled the image. So you may not have seen that actually take place. So what I can do is if I come and press my undo button over here, what you should see is a slight difference between the blurriness on the text on the page. So you can see just how well that's done at crisping up that image for me. Makes it nice and easy on there. One of the other tools that we have in LYNX Pro with our AI option down here is our option to be able to have our maths recognition pen. So just over here from my pen tool tray, I've got the option to bring in my maths pen. And what that will allow me to do is write calculations on the screen. If I leave those calculations with an equal sign, then LYNX will be able to calculate the answer and hide that behind a box for me. I've got two options for revealing the option. I can tap on the box and hit toggle cover to reveal that answer. Or if I'm in my presentation mode, which I can enter using the 3-line menu and start presenting, then a simple tap on the box or tap on the answer will hide and reveal that for you. So do have a look at our full range of LYNX Pro features that we've got in there. Our AI assistant that's built in would also be able to do things like create bullet points from a text. So from here, for example, if I did have a passage of text, I can either type in a prompt and then the AI feature would generate a text for me. Or if I have a text that I already want to use, I can simply take that text and I can paste it into the box. And then what the AI generator would then do for me is then produce that into a text. I'll add a new page on there, and I can simply drag that text out onto my page. And what it's done is it's taken the text that I've pasted into here, and it's actually now put that into bullet points for me. So it's a really, really useful system. Do have a look at our other videos, looking at some of the more other features that we've got in LYNX Pro. But thanks for watching our video today.